This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fried egg more tasty. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. Choose fresh, high-quality eggs. They truly make a difference. You'll also need a good non-stick pan, ideally around 8 inches, and a spatula. Preheat your pan over medium-low heat. This gentle warmth ensures the egg cooks evenly without burning, setting the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's get cooking. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter or your preferred oil to the preheated pan. Once it's shimmering, carefully crack an egg directly into the pan. Be gentle to keep the yolk intact. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the egg whites are fully set but the yolk remains wonderfully runny. This creates that perfect texture contrast. To truly elevate your fried egg, seasoning is key. A simple pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper makes a huge difference. For an extra kick, try a dash of your favorite hot sauce or a sprinkle of fresh herbs like chives. You could even add a small amount of shredded cheese during the last minute of cooking for a gooey, savory layer. Your perfectly fried egg is ready. Serve it immediately to enjoy its warmth and runny yolk. It's fantastic on a slice of toasted bread, perhaps with some creamy avocado. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of paprika adds visual appeal and a hint of flavor. For a complete meal, pair it with crispy bacon or a side of roasted vegetables. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.